What does your perfect city look like? Perhaps it's a place where you glide through traffic, every light turning green just as you approach. Or maybe it's a city that breathes with the seasons, buildings optimizing temperature and air quality as naturally as trees shed their leaves. You might envision a community where safety is not just reactive but proactive, with resources allocated based on predictive crime patterns. These visions share a common thread, a digital pulse that beats at the heart of modern urban planning. That pulse? Artificial intelligence. AI is more than just a buzzword, it's a tool that can transform our urban landscapes, making them more efficient, sustainable, and livable. It's a key player in a symphony of data, algorithms, and resources, all working in harmony to create the perfect city. This isn't just a utopian dream, it's the cutting edge of urban planning and AI research. Cities around the globe are already implementing smart solutions. Let's take a closer look at some of these AI-powered urban innovations. We're seeing intelligent transportation systems that adjust to real-time traffic flow, minimizing congestion and emissions. Traffic lights aren't just timed devices anymore. They're becoming part of an interconnected network, communicating with autonomous vehicles and pedestrian sensors to keep the city moving smoothly. Then there's waste management. No longer a simple matter of routine collection, it's now optimized by AI. Smart bins notify waste collection agencies when they're full, and AI algorithms plot the most efficient routes for trucks, saving time and reducing carbon footprints. Moving on to buildings, we have structures that breathe with the seasons, optimizing temperature and air quality through integrated sensors and climate-adaptive design. These aren't just energy-efficient buildings, they're living, breathing entities that react to their environment, making our living and working spaces more comfortable and sustainable. And let's not forget about safety. AI is being used to analyze crime patterns, allowing law enforcement to allocate resources proactively. Imagine a city where police patrols are dispatched not just based on emergency calls, but predictive analytics that anticipate potential hotspots before crime occurs. Behind all these innovations are algorithms tirelessly crunching data. From energy consumption and waste generation to traffic flow and crime rates, they're analyzing every aspect of city life. The insights gleaned from this analysis are invaluable for urban planners, allowing them to design more efficient